Not sure that's going to happen. So right now, I think they'll go in there with a fairly skeptical attitude, just as many of us have seen. Sorry. Before they tried these ceasefires and they haven't held. And let me show you something else. It's been a very active night, actually, here in Gaza. We're going to show you an airstrike that occurred very, very near to our position. Take a look. I guess they'll take it. That came about 7 minutes later. I'll just point out that's about 200. That is about as close as we that came about 7 minutes later. I'll just point out that's about 200. That's about 200.